just love summertime. The warm weather, beautiful sunshine. It's just spending time with my kids. It's amazing. It kind of looks like a storm's moving in. Oh no! Where am I? I don't think I'm on summer break anymore.
When are we going to get our devices?
You will get your school devices sometime during the first week of school, and that's when you'll download your e-books that you will use for your classroom textbook. We also have a new BenQ board instead of our smart board. Those were removed, and this is the new technology we'll be using in the classroom.
Do you have our tests graded yet?
Next question.
What supplies do we need?
My school supply list can be found on the school app. At the beginning of the year, there are some extra supplies that need to be brought in for the classroom, such as tissues or something like that. But for the most part, throughout the school year, you need to have your textbook, your student activity book, which is probably a workbook if your class has that, and notebook paper and something to write with. If you bring those things to class, you'll be good to go.
Am I in the right class?
Well, I teach 8th through 12th grade social studies and 10th grade Bible. So if you're in high school, you will most likely have me as a teacher.
Is this your first year ever working with children?
This is the start of my 22nd year of teaching and the start of my 8th year here at Calvary. I also have 5 children. The older 2 both graduated from Calvary Christian School, and the younger 3 attend. I have a junior, a freshman, and a 6th grader. What was that? I don't see any. Where did everybody go? Maybe they're behind this curtain.
Pay no attention to the head of school behind the curtain.
Oh! No, that's not them. Students and teachers and staff. Oh my. Soccer and volleyball and basketball. Oh my. Homework and grading and lesson plans. Oh my. Laughter and cheering and friends. Oh my. School's about to start. School is starting. Where are all my students? Maybe summer break really isn't over yet. There's no place like school. There's no place like school. There's no place like school. Miss LeCrone's!
Are you going to come in and teach us now?
Absolutely. Welcome to a new school year.